Now, this band is very similar to the Trail Loop. What I like about it is that it has more of a clasp right up here. And so it's comfortable. It's a little bit bigger, this particular one. And so I could just grab this and realign it easily. I like the pattern on the material here. And then they also come with a variety of different badges. So I've got the American flag, but they've got a variety of different options available there as well. This is very much like the Trail Loop material. So it is stretchy and it feels good, easy to keep clean. But what I like about it is that I could completely, lay it flat. So it's got the clasp, which I really like. I like that a lot of these watch band manufacturers are doing this type of loop as opposed to it being one complete strap that can't remove unless you completely take it off the watch. I just like that. Like I said, it's got some flex to it. It's a super comfortable watch band, and I like the color option here. Very clean, and it matches the black Apple Watch Ultra really nice. And then you've got a hit of color there with the American flag.